Hello, this is Greg. Today I have this little Chevy four-wheel drive adapter. It has a part number on it. Where did I see it? Right here. Let me unhook these. I got it set up for a test. And there's the number right there, 901-062-016-14308, China. Okay? This is what it looks like. It's in really good shape. I'm not even sure if it's used or not. But at any rate, I'm going to test it for you real quick. Put these probes on the inside lines here. Set your meter is, my meter is already, I lost a connection already. It should just go to ohms. Let me see if I keep this on camera here. We're not into trust here. We're into showing you exactly what we're doing. You don't need to trust anything except your own eyes. Okay, now, from the tests I watched, this reading is good. Just pushing the auto four-wheel drive. This one is also good. Oh shoot, let me see. Let me start again. Let me do it one more time. Okay, top button. 064.45. It's holding stable. I didn't have the button held down tight. Okay, and then we go to this one. This is the 2 high, 1.516. This is the 4 high, 663.0. Okay, that's stabilized. And then the what is that? 4 low, 2.342. And then also you want to push, should be 1 something when you push the low and the high, 1.024. And I believe all these readings are in kilo ohms. Yes. 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 And this is ohms. So, I'm going to put this up on eBay for sale. It tests as good. If you want it, that's where it will be. Have a wonderful day.